Hey, look, I found a snake. Just kidding. I made this one, but it's pretty cool. And I'm gonna teach you how to make it too. I'm gonna add to it. It's just made out of paper. And these are the supplies that we need. We need a pair of scissors, a pen, a pencil, and a glue stick. And then you need some paper, just strips of paper, any color really will do. And you could use skinny little strips or fat strips, but they have to be the same. They can't be one fat and one skinny, see? So these are all about like 1 inch. And like I said, you can use any color. Even if you just use white, you could make it and then decorate it with crayons or markers. So this is how easy it is. See, I made a pattern here. I have the orange and blue and purple and black, orange and blue, purple and black. So the next ones I'm gonna make is orange and blue. And this is scrap paper. It even has a hole punched in it. Doesn't even matter. This is what we're gonna do. Get your glue and put a little bit of glue on the end of one strip. And then line your two ends up like this so they make a V. See that? I just put the two corners together. I have a V, and now I take the piece that's on the bottom and I fold it over the top. I take the piece that's at the bottom and I fold it over the top. Maybe it's easier if you put it down on the table, but just take the piece that's on the bottom and fold it over the top. And just keep doing that until your papers are done. And then, it's okay if it gets a little crookedy. Just keep going, it doesn't take long. You know, it got a little crooked. That's okay. When you get to the end, you can do it fast because I've been practicing. When I get to the end, I'm going to put a little bit of glue here because I want the two ends to be sticky. Fold that over onto the glue. And now I have this extra paper. And I'm just going to cut that off so it's even. Okay, and now I just made this little springy. And I'm going to add it onto my snake like this. Put some more glue on the end and let's see, bam. Squish those together. And my snake is gonna be really long. Now I'm gonna show you how I made the face. I just took some scrap paper. Where's my scrap paper? I guess I'll make a red head. Right. I cut a rectangle. And then I just trimmed off the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. And that made my head. If you want, you could draw something out on a piece of paper. You can make the head however you want. Maybe like that. And cut it out. Like a roundish rectangle. That could be a good head too. And glue it on the end. Make some eyes. And some little slits for its nose. And then to make the tongue, you just need a tiny strip of paper. And if you want it to have that little slit in it, you can cut that in there too. It's just cutting a triangle and the tippy end. Because snakes have that pointed tongue. And to make it curly, you can roll it around a pencil before you glue it. It has a little curl to it. Put that on there. We got a tongue. I'm gonna make a two-headed snake. This is something you would find in a circus, an old-timey circus, a two-headed snake. Look out! All right, give it a try. It's pretty fun. You can make this as long as you want. Good job.